This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete Haynes online manual at haynes.com.
Air filter renewal. Removal. Open the driver's door, reach under the fascia and pull the bonnet release lever. Lift the safety catch, then fully open the bonnet. Pull the plastic cover upwards to release the mountings. The air cleaner housing lid is secured by various screws along the right-hand edge, front edge, rear edge, and a single screw adjacent to the battery box. Lift the lid and remove the filter element. Remove any dirt or debris from the housing. A vacuum cleaner is ideal for this. Locate the new filter element in the housing with the rubber seal uppermost. Securely tighten the screws around the air cleaner lid. Align the cover with its mountings and press it firmly down into place. Firmly close the bonnet and check it secure.